What's going on, everybody? Ladies and gentlemen, Simplypops here, and I just got back from the Apple Store to pick up the brand new Apple Watch Series 7. Now, I'm coming from the Series 5, and I feel like this is going to be a worthy upgrade just because of the screen size. Nonetheless, the Apple Watch. So, I picked up the graphite. This is my first stainless steel Apple Watch. I always went with the aluminum series. So, in front of the box, we have the Apple Watch logo. It's embeveled, and we have two pull tabs, so we could just pull this up. Really nice. I remember the original Apple Watch. It was like a huge box. And if you went with the Apple Watch edition, nonetheless, absolutely love the graphics here. And then here we are. Oh, before we even get into that, let's open up this Melanese loop. This is my first stainless steel Apple Watch. This is crazy. I remember the original Apple Watch. I always wanted one, but I could not justify that price tag. Couldn't afford it. But now here we are. So it's showcasing on how to install it, how to put on your Apple Watch band, and man, look at this. Ooh. We got that Melanese loop. Really classy. Yeah, this is clean. If you have an iPhone 13 Pro in the graphite color, this is gonna match 1-to-1. Okay, so time for the Coupe de Gras, the Apple Watch Series 7. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we have designed by California in Apple. Now, unfortunately, no Apple stickers here. And we have the literature. Put that to the side. So now we have Type-C to the Apple Watch. This is going to enable fast charge, but I'm not even going to use this. I have a special dock for all my Apple devices. It's actually the Air Omni. I reviewed it last year, and I still use it to this day. You charge 6 Apple devices at the same time. It's just remarkable. Shout out to Pitaka, not sponsored. Nonetheless, let's get right into it. Of course, I went with the 45mm. I've always been a big Apple Watch user. If I would have went with the small Apple Watch, I would have to get new bands, and I was not trying to do that. Stainless steel, guys. Woo! If you always went with the aluminum, why not try out the stainless steel or the titanium? Now, yes, I know the price is pretty significant, but this is beautiful. Looks like a piece of jewelry now compared to the aluminum. Because I placed my order for the titanium, and of course I rock with the aluminum for all these years, and this is my first stainless steel. Okay, time to retire the Series 5, and I love it. Fast performance, I love the always on display, but now you have a brighter always on display, a larger display. This is just an upgrade all around. Now I'm actually using my personal iPhone 13 as an overhead rig right now, so I can't even set this up right this second, but this looks elegant. I love this. I absolutely love this so freaking much. The gloss, the shiny material. You about that life now. You a boss. You get what I'm saying? And I'm not saying that the aluminum is not boss status. It certainly is. You have different colors, but this right here, yeah, you're doing something. You're doing something. And especially if you have the graphite iPhone 13 Pro to match alongside with it, and the Melanese loop. This is a classic. This is a classic Apple Watch combo, stainless steel with the Melanese loop. Can't go wrong with it. Now I have that sapphire glass on the front now, so scratches is going to be very minimal, if not probably no scratches at all. So my Apple Watch just finished updating, and I'm rocking out with two Apple Watches now, the Series 5 and the Series 7 on my left hand. So I want to test out some of these bands real fast, because when you get a new material Apple Watch, you want to see how it look like with your other bands. This is nice. The green and the graphite, that's 1-to-1. Now, when you go some of the brighter bands, it might look a little funny. That's why the silver one is probably the better bet. Like, for example, this blue, it still looks good, but it'll look even better if you have the silver Apple Watch. This band right here, this is looking classy. Especially with that stainless steel, and you guys could even see the buckle. Here's how the brown and the graphite is gonna look classy. And then one of my favorites, we have the Pitaka, but this Pitaka band link bracelet, this is gonna look nice. So carbon fiber and the stainless steel, nice 1-to-1 combo. You guys see how massive the display is now, wrapping around the edge. Wow. And yeah, so now what's new? You have a brighter always on display. I noticed that right away. This is the always on display right now. and this is awake. The older Apple Watch is a little dim, but it's still seeable, but this is just far more brighter. So let me loop that back in. Yeah, it is a bit brighter. It might be hard to see on camera, but they both on the always on display right now. So here's Meridian, Apple Watch Series 5 on the bottom, Series 7 on the top. Yeah, and there's that always on display. I really hate filming Apple Watch videos, but I really want to show you guys the difference between the two. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think, and stay tuned for more Apple Watch Series 7 videos. Till next time, have a simple day.